this show because Dee loves to be in the kitchen, she loves to cook, and I'm always the guinea pig that comes over, and I like to drink. So every week we're gonna be coming up with recipes, and I'm gonna be making drink recipes to go along with the food. What are we making this week?
So today we actually made strawberry cheesecake French toast.
And we're gonna be pairing that with this delicious beverage that we're calling Lady D Rosé. All right, so let's get started. We are gonna start off with our drink first because I need something to sip while you cook. So we're gonna do this really fun drink that we love. I don't really know what the name of it is, but we call it Lady D Rosé because Dee loves her rosé. So it's really easy to make. You basically just put rosé in a glass and then you just top it off with cotton candy with this machine that we bought off of Amazon.
Yeah.
So you put in a scoop of this pink fairy floss cotton candy powder, whatever you want to call it. Okay, once that's in, you turn on the machine. Okay. So we got this rosé champagne from the grocery store, and again we got this on Amazon, and 2 champagne flutes. So we can just pour the champagne while we wait. Took me a while to learn this technique.
Yes.
I was always pouring. You have to tilt the glass. I learned that recently. And I like to top it off nice and you know, I only allow myself 1 glass, so you know, you gotta make it count. Are they even? Are they even? Close enough. Okay, you got more. Oh my god. You're such a baby.
Mom! You gave her more.
There you go.
Yay.
You got more.
Cheers.
Alright, so now
Oh, there it
it
is.
starts to look like a little spider web, which is cool. So you get your little stick and you go around. Yeah, you just spin it around like this. And as it starts to form, looks like a pretty pink spider web that you can eat.
Yum.
And then once you get the amount you like, again, you like your cotton candy, so
The more the better.
so you grab it. Super cute. So you spin it, and then you put it inside your glass like so.
Yum.
There's one. And then we do the same thing to the other one. This is a very girly drink, perfect for like, you know, brunch, having your girls over. If you want to look fancy without making the effort, this is definitely a good go-to.
Super cute.
All right. I too love cotton candy,
Oh, wow.
so
That's a lot.
it looks like a little tornado.
Little tornado.
A tornado.
There you go.
There you go. So see if we can save the rest for later. All right, and that is the Lady D Rosé.
So cute.
Cheers.
Cheers. And so fancy. Do we dip it a little?
We can dip it a little bit.
Oh.
Mmm. So good.
Oh my god, the sweetness of the cotton candy and the bubbly of the rosé.
Complements each other very well. Perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the
Cookie. Yay. Let's go. So let's start with the batter. We're gonna do 2 eggs. And you wanna actually beat the eggs first. Beat it up. Beat the eggs first before you add the cream because you want to make sure that they're all mixed together. The yolk is mixed together. So then you want to add 1 cup of milk.
what kind of milk is that?
This is just whole milk, or you can even add cream, just like half and half type of cream. And then you go ahead and mix it. Then you want to add a tablespoon of sugar. There you go. Cinnamon. That one's going to be a teaspoon of cinnamon. The cinnamon is the actual flavor that makes the French toast. So there you go. Let me do. Let's do a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. If we need it to be a little sweeter, we will add that in. And then the last but not least, fresh nutmeg. Ooh, kind of got that little sucker to fall off. But fresh nutmeg. You want to grate it in. It smells delicious. Guys, why does that keep falling?
Slippery little sucker.
Slippery. So you want to buy fresh nutmeg. Ground nutmeg is good, but it doesn't taste as good, and it's only $1 extra.
Yeah,
Not too
might
much.
as well.
And then this little thing goes a long way. It comes with about 2. It goes a long way.
That joke's way too easy. I'm just gonna sip on my champagne.
I mean, not all of them go on. I mean, I wouldn't know.
Champagne's kicking in, guys.
Yes. So the next, we're gonna do the filling. The filling's gonna be cream cheese. You wanna do about 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. Fresh cut strawberries.
Yeah.
Yum, yum, yum. You wanna do a little more sugar. About a tablespoon.
Yes.
And then you wanna do fresh lemon. You wanna do like about half of it or less than half, just because the lemon's the one that actually gives you the cheesecake flavor.
Love that.
Yeah, so with,
Whisk it
spatula
together.
or, yeah, you just wanna whisk it together. You wanna make sure that your cream cheese is room temperature. I guess this little sucker didn't thaw out as fast.
This one is not room temperature.
I mean, it was. I mean, it's like 1,000 degrees right now in LA. What's going on? It's all kind of mixed together there. You don't want to break the bites of the cut strawberries, because when you actually cook it, you want to make sure you bite into a strawberry, not a strawberry puree
Damn.
or, or a jam. Strawberry jam. Mix that in. That's why I'm not using a spatula to mix it. Is it a spatula? What's that thing called?
That's a whisk.
A whisk.
You're using a spatula. It looks like a silicone spatula.
I caught myself. Call myself a chef here. Anyways, now we're gonna stuff the brioche. So you see the little pocket that I made here? When you cut your brioche, you want to cut it about 2 inches, and then inside of it, with the knife, you want to go ahead and create a little pocket. And then stuff your filling. Butter, butter, butter. Yum. Now, make sure you whisk your batter before you dip it in. You want to do a quick dip. Don't completely soak it, because then it won't be crisp. Quick dip. So once you flip it over, this is exactly the color you're trying to look. You want to make sure they're nice and crispy on top. It's still a little, mushy, the batter inside. Make sure both sides are nice and golden brown.
And we're done. Just kidding.
And we're done. Now, you want to go ahead and garnish it with a little bit of lemon zest. This, you can skip it if you like. I just like to do the little pop of color on top.
Smells really good too.
Smells good, yeah.
So if you want to be fancy, go ahead and garnish.
Strawberry. You want to fan it out, cut it.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, you want to cut it very, very, very finely. And then you fan it out.
So you just cut it up into the stem and then just fan it out. That's really pretty.
And then powdered sugar.
This is my favorite part.
It's snowing like Christmas.
Yay!
Yay!
Our favorite time of year.
Yes. There you go.
It looks so fancy.
And voila.
Now we're done.
We're done.
And it looks like this. Pretty.
All right, now dig in.
Is it time?
It's time.
Let's do it.
The taste test.
My favorite part. Mmm. So good.
I mean,
It's really crunchy on the outside. You can taste the cinnamon. And then you get the sweetness. You did really good. She likes compliments, guys. Yeah, it's
I
like
really like
crunchy and mushy on the inside. It's so good. I could see myself eating this, like, I could even eat this for breakfast.
Yeah.
It's sweet, but it's not overbearing.
Yeah. It takes about cook time, I want to say about The cook time about 10 minutes.
Mhm.
The prep time another 3 to 5 minutes. So if you want to do breakfast in bed for your hubby,
Or just for a girls' night.
Yeah,
whatever,
girls'
you know,
night.
when he's out with his boys.
Yes. And yeah.
Alright, so that is our show for this week. If you liked the video, go ahead and like us below. And if you have any recipes that you want to see us try, go ahead and comment below. Subscribe to our channel so you can get notified when we have new stuff coming out. And yeah, so we'll be able to read our comments and see what recipes you guys want us to try. Whether it's a drink or
Something
you have an
yummy.
event coming up, you know, we'll just try different stuff. So
Yeah.
go ahead and comment below. Let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.
Subscribe.
Yes.
Cheers.